For those that don't know me, my name is Selena and I'm a part-time day trader. My most favorite way to trade is actually swing trade. So I will go over some of my swing trades that I did. And the reason that I like the swing trading is because I'm busy. I have a lot of baseball games to attend, a lot of practices to go, pickups, drop-offs, dinners, cooking, cleaning, and work. I'm sure you all can relate to that. So by doing a swing trade, even though I look at it as a day trade to see if it reaches my goal or want to let it play out for the next day, it allows me not to stress, right? I could let it be there, make my money work for it. All the swing trades that I'm going to share, they're all over 20% for the last couple of weeks, even let's say a month, which in this case only a couple of weeks, but where can you make 20% on your money in that short amount of time? So there are some we share in the community. Did they all of them worked out? No. Do I tell you which one I'm gonna work it out? No. So why? Because I'm not here to hold your hand. I'm here to inspire you. I will do analysis and I will narrow it down to two or three. It should be easy enough for you to choose. Because what if you would like more chip companies, semiconductors? What if you like more energy stocks? So it's really up to you which one you would like to choose. I will do analysis and narrow it down to two to three, but you're still responsible for your own decisions, right? Accountability. All right, let's go over this one. This one is a newer one, SQCOM, and I'm gonna lower down the chart for you guys. You see when it start breaking out, breaking out, breaking out, almost right here, and it found the buyers. So no FOMO. You can get in here, of course, that'd be great. But if you don't have a chance, you're waiting for 50% pullback and you can do it again. You can add it, it's fine. So when we zoom it in, look at this beautiful trades. And why I say swing trading? Because you can take your gains here, but you might be missing out a little bit more and a little bit more. So by getting more and more familiar with the charts, it helps you to stay in longer and hold your gains. The other one I'll show you is iron. I know this chart really well. I've been trading it for a long time. I have made videos about it. So if you've seen it before, I always find what their buyers are. As soon as the seller's exhaust, and here I am. As soon as the seller exhausts, here I am. You get the story. So since we only talking about this month, this the last couple of weeks, I understand the stock market says it's ultimate high, but these stocks are not at their ultimate high, which I find that they have more potential to go. Once again, you could trade it twice. You can make money from here to here, sell it, wait for pullback, or you can add to your position. Right? It's like a rubber band. It's gonna snap eventually. So wait for your pullback and go back in. Same thing. This one we up around 46% depending on the average that people went in since the alerts came out. Well, this one, everybody's talking about it today about AMD. I share with you where I am in my long-term account, but this is a day trading and swing trading video. So we start talking about in the community around this price. So you can easily see that we up 20%. Of course, we had the earnings today. Of course, we'll be all over the AMD is going to be all over the news, and that's great. That's okay. But do you see the similarities in the charts? And why swing trading allows me not to stress and let it play out a little bit. I will show you. A next one is not as expensive, so you get to make more on the small account. So it's APLD. And the alerts came out around, around this area, right? But we in the time frame right here. So ever since the alerts went out, you can do the math, but it's 22%. Even though that you go from like 32 to 39 to $40, but because it's cheaper, you can afford more. So 22% is your gains for now. I'll give you one bonus one. I'm sure everybody heard about it now, MU. I share with you that I went in around 350 area, but the alerts that we keep sending it out, it is around this area, right? So is it safe to say that we are 20% and more up in the month? I would say so, right? So can you see my drawn to swing trading? So I could be a mom, I could do my thing, I don't have to stress out, I will check it every day, I will trail my stops, right? I will trail my stops so I don't lose on my gains. There's nothing wrong with protecting your gains. If you get knocked out, no big deal. If you see potential, you can go back in, that's fine. But can you see doing that yourself, letting you play it out, waiting a couple weeks or a couple months, especially like if your goal is to build up capital, if your goal is to be more liquid after you cashed out of these positions. So yeah, let me know if you could see yourself doing that. Everybody has their own way of trading. There's no wrong way of doing it. People love options, people love futures. There's so many options out there, but this particular one is my favorite. So please let me know. Can't wait to hear from you guys.